What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to a new video and welcome to a brand new year. So we're now in 2025 and on the first day of this year I'm here to deliver some good news. Yes, I know Santa come on the 25th of December, but this is Chris from ChriSamz and I'm here to give you a brand new update from Whim Estate and to give you the news that a lot of you have been waiting for. So the good news is Whim Estate BlockC is finally going on sale. I know a lot of you have been waiting, a lot of persons have been requesting updates, and I'm here to give you that drone shot and I'm here to give you the details for BlockC that is going on sale. All right, so before we get into all of that, I want to wish you guys all the best for this year. A lot of you would have already set your goals. If not, you still have some time to do that and work on them. Last year we set a goal to reach 10,000 subscribers. Unfortunately, we did not achieve that target, but nevertheless we still have life, there's still hope, and we're still going to keep working until we get there. So with that out of the way, guys, we are going to be giving you your regular drone shot today to show you what is going on with the development, but I'm also going to provide in some information for you guys on the sale of BlockC. So if you're ready for that update, just hit that like button right now. If you know somebody that wants one of these properties to purchase, please go ahead, share out the videos so that they can be updated as well. And if you're new, like this here is new, please subscribe to the channel and let us hit that goal of 10,000 before mid 2025. All right, and then we can set the new target for December. So here what, grab on the devices, grab on a pen and on the paper, wherever you want to put this information. If you want to screen record it, whatever you want to do, we'll be giving you the information right now. So here what, here we go with the updates. So come January 6, 2025, BlockC will be going on sale and they'll have 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom units and 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units. How the prices go? You can get your 2-bed, 1-bath unit for $21.5 million. And you know the standard size is 4,500 square feet. If you need additional land space, you can go right ahead, check out that information from the developer and they'll tell you how much more that will cost. For the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units, that is at the price point of $22.8 million. All right, so purchasers will be required to make a 15% down payment, and that 15% you pay 5% for deposit, 10% for escalation, and then you'll be having your closing fees to pay as well. So the good thing is that if no escalation is charged on the property, you have two options. You'll either be reimbursed that money or you can add it to your loan. All right, so Whim Estate is telling you have to pay 15%. So you pay your deposit and your escalation, and if there's no escalation charged on the property, then that money will be either given back to you or you can put it towards your loan. All right, they also recommend that you use JN for your mortgage. Remember that you also need to have your pre-qualification letter ready. What else do you need to have? You need your proof of your deposit, your escalation, and your closing fee. So you can provide them with a bank statement. You need your TRN as well. And if you're a cash buyer, you know you're going to need proof of funds. And don't forget that you'll also be needing your government issued ID. So I hope you're ready to make your purchase. And if you don't have a loans officer just yet, no need to worry. You can contact the sales office and they will put you on to a rep. So here we're going to jump right into this drone chat right now to let you guys see what is going on at this development, and then we'll link you back on the other side and we'll just wrap up this video. But here what? First drone shot for the year 2025 of Whim Estate. Here we go. Alright guys, so as you can see, a lot of work has taken place for the time that we have not been here. We were only left with a short span in which we could cover just now, because majority of the units that were there before are already handed over to the new homeowners. And you know our policy, we try to not fly over people's place because of the respect privacy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys are ready to take on the journey with us this year again. And while I will do my part to give you the videos, I hope you guys will do your part to share them, to like them, to leave your comment. And remember, say if you don't hit the subscribe button yet, you should have done that from last year, but I can go ahead and do that right now. So guys, this is Chris from ChriSamz from Realestate, giving you your first update for the year. And make sure to come January 6th when the portal is open, you are ready to put in your application for your new unit in BlockC. Want a reminder of the prices? It's right here on your screen. I'll be leaving it in the description down below. I'll be leaving the contact information for the sales office down below, so you can reach out to them if you have any queries, if you have issues with the portal, if you want a bigger lot size, if you don't have a mortgage officer, you can contact them today and they will assist you through the process. So hear what? Big up on yourself, take care on yourself, all the best for the new year. Whatever plans you have set, put God first, watch him deal with things for you, and watch you succeed this year. So hear what I say, I hear what me say, hear what we say, because we are one family now. Bless upon yourself, and I catch you guys in another video. So it's peace out from ChriSamz. Take care.